Greetings and welcome back to the workshop. No, you have not stumbled across William's workshop. It is I, Matt Chivers. Yes, William has found the benefits of wearing these lovely, fashionable lumberjack jackets in the workshop as they keep you lovely and warm on these cold, freezing days. In this episode we are going to face off some bits of brass using Bridget the mill and put some location holes. We are going to just get on and do some machining. Right, that's the first side machined. Now we've got to do the other side. So I'll give this a quick wipe down. But this time when we put this in, we'll make sure that it's knocked down. As we're clamping up, just give it a tap, check the parallels, they're nice and tight, and then we can machine. One thing all this machining has uncovered is I definitely need power feed on the X-axis because of this. Quick deburr and then we'll get the holes in. So all those plates here are now done. We've got the DRO on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to set up and find the edges so we can find the centre down this way, because we need two holes at 70mm apart. So I'm going to put it flush with the end of the vise here. I'm going to use a parallel, so slide it up to, tighten the vise, and then every one I'll just do to the parallel at the end. As long as they're 70mm apart, it doesn't matter if they are slightly out. Right, so we'll find the centre of here now. So I'll bring it into touch. Let it straighten out, and then as soon as it kicks out, there we go. We'll zero that on the DRO. There we are, so we're getting 54.7. Right, so we need to go to 27.385. 27.3. Oh, a bit far. 8.5. So that is our centre line. Now all the brass is exactly the same width, so we will lock the y-axis off So we can't knock it, we can't move it. We'll do the same here. We'll touch off this edge and then get our 0 from this point, and then we'll just work across. Right, so we've got our very, very small. It's a 2.95 drill. So we'll move it from the 0, 25 in, drill a hole, then move it to 95, and then drill a hole. And that will give us our 70mm apart, which is what we're after. So there we are, another successful job with Bridget. The plates can now go over to our CNC department and be turned into some lovely injection moulding tooling. Until next time, laters!